What is up guys, it's Shani, and in today's video I am so excited because I will be doing a cleaning out my closet featuring Poshmark. And also don't forget to click the link in the description box below to download the Poshmark app, and also follow me on Poshmark, handle right here. So let's just get started with the video. Alright guys, so Valentine's Day is coming up and we need to look cute or whatever, you know, for them dates or for our little girl Valentine's Day.
We try.
Or whatever we're gonna do. We just need to look cute. I thought I'd help you guys out and pick out the finest pieces in my closet. You're welcome. Alright, so the first thing that I'm gonna show you guys is this really cute denim jacket that I got and I've only literally worn once. It's so cute. It's cropped, it has rainbow on the side, and it's like dark denim, and it's really cute. Alright, so next thing. Alright, so next item that I will be showing you, literally only wore once. Insert clip here. Literally only wore once, never gonna wear again, but it's really cute. I'm pretty sure someone can definitely wear it better than me. Is this really cute long skirt. It's like a high-low where it's like short in the front, long from the back, really cute buttons. I was just too lazy to button up the rest, but it has buttons. It's from Forever 21. I've literally only wore it once and it's really cute. So, alright guys, so the next piece that I'm going to show you I think goes perfect with Valentine's Day is this really sparkly crop top from Forever 21, and I've literally only used it once and it's so cute and I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. Doesn't really fit my style anymore, but I think some girl out there would really rock it. So yeah. Last and final thing, but still cute-ish. This really cute, and I think this would be really cute for like a date night, you know what I'm saying, a little dinner or two. This really cute stripe wrap dress. Another thing that I've literally only wore once, another high-low, it opens up, so if you ever need to open it up, you can. But if you don't have to because there's a string. But I'm definitely gonna put it on in my Poshmark closet, so you guys should definitely check it out. Alright guys, so that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to check out my closet on Poshmark to see all these really cute pieces. And I will leave the link in the description box below to download the Poshmark app, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And guys, we're about to hit 100,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, so go subscribe basically, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, and happy Valentine's Day! Oh, bye!